Shall we have breakfast together?
(906) 4407. 906 4407. Congratulations, man. The lucky number is going to be 9064450. Nobody has it? I think we got the winner. Profile jack and stand, $230 value. Number is going to be 9064529. 9064529. All right, congratulations. It's a 1900 PSI cool water pressure. All right. And it'll be 9064519. Kids ride on Hellcat charger with light, Bluetooth, and remote. Whew. Too bad we didn't have those when we were kids, right? Number goes 9064494.
Nah.
9064494. Alright. Remember, girls for your kids, not you, man.
Keep that for
You know what? Okay, so Marysville, this guy came from Marysville. Marysville and Lincoln are very close together because of where they are on the map. We would have to actually do addresses to see who won this, to be that close. So, come over here to Marysville, you got further travel to go collect your trophy. Marysville, California, that's like 30, 40 minutes north of Sacramento, so.
Ah.
Thank you so much for coming, that's amazing.